Hello, my dear friends. Namaskar. My name is Suresh Srimali. Welcome to Astro and Numero with Srimali, your one stop channel for astrology and numerology. Today, I will tell you about the effect of debilitated Venus transit and how it will put an impact on your zodiac sign. But firstly, let me tell you about Venus. Venus is considered as auspicious planet in Vedic astrology. With this effect, one gets real physical and marital happiness. Therefore, in astrology, the planet Venus is considered to be a factor of material happiness, wedding prosperity, beauty, romance, and fashion designing, etc. Venus is the lord of Taurus and Libra. This time, Venus will debilitate transit in Virgo from 11th of August to 5th of September 2021. So, now friends, let's begin the game of planets with positive hope, and in the end, I will suggest some remedies for better results. Let's start with the fire, that is Aries. In business, your opponents and enemies may bother you. Be aware of them. For professional growth, you can try to change your job. You will establish your identity at your workplace. Students may face difficulties but work hard for better results. You will gain intelligence, and with the help of that, you will be able to make the right decisions. Your mental and physical health will be very good. You are expected to travel because of some work. Now let's move to the bull, that is Taurus. There will be an atmosphere of tension and conflict in business due to some minor issues. Your work will increase your honor and new identity. Players will do best in field of talent. For the persons who are in management, investment, or someone who guides you will be successful. Your family knots might get stronger and you would have a great time in future. You will also receive gifts from your grandparents. Try to avoid long journey on Saturdays. Now let's move to twins, that is Gemini. Expansion of business is expected, so try to save money. Transport business will also be great. Job related opportunities may knock your door. Artists may get some unexpected results. You will experience good physical and mental health. Be polite to your partner and family members. One can get good news from maternal side. There are many chances of traveling and enjoying your life. Now let's move to the crab, that is Cancer. It would be good for those who want to start a fashionable or fabric clothing business. If the financial condition is weak, you can take a loan from the bank or any other medium. You are likely to get success in competitive exams or entrance exam. You will be full of energy, which will also benefit you in the field. You may face challenges in love life. You can make idea of traveling to any tourist place with partner. Now let's move to Lion, that is Leo. There will be many opportunities for growth in business with intellectual skill. Students will not be able to concentrate on studies due to dissolution of concentration. Buying or selling can be good for you and you can get benefit. In family life, there will be happiness and peace in the atmosphere. Your relationship with partner will be even better. For some reason, you may have to travel. Now let's move to Earth, that is Virgo. There are signs of getting good news from the business and workplace. There is also a strong possibility of getting financial benefits. If you do a job, then improve your performance so that you can get more and more profit. The competitive exam will prove to be favorable for students. You can go on a long distance journey, and this journey will prove beneficial for you. Your activity in religious and spiritual work may increase and you will feel peace of mind. Time is favorable for love relationship, but any kind of misunderstanding can create rift in the relationship. Now let's move to skills, that is Libra. Those whose nature of business is into luxury products, jewelry, and traveling will witness a rise in their work. You will also get different opportunities to progress in the field, and there are high chances of your success. You are expected to get special benefits from a foreign source or friend. There can be good opportunities for the people who want to influence their love. You can bring yoga and meditation in your lifestyle to tackle the problem. There will also be a possibility of traveling. Your family life will be normal and you will be able to spend a good time with your close ones. Now let's move to Scorpion, that is Scorpio. If your project of work is stuck somewhere, you will be able to continue it again. You can get some good news in professional life as well as your business profile will increase. You will be quite organized and disciplined in your personal life. You need to stay away from any disputes related to court or legal issues. Staying close to your spouse will make your relationship very stronger. If you are single, then you can consider getting married very soon. Now let's move to Archer, that is Sagittarius. You will get excellent result working in the field of research. It is possible to get success in work and you can also get full support of seniors. If you invest in the stock market, share market, or cryptocurrency, then you are likely to get profit. Love relationship will also be sweet. You will be able to enjoy time with your partner. Any long pending wish of yours can be fulfilled. You will have an excellent and happy relationship with your family. Now let's move to Goat, that is Capricorn. Business persons are expected to keep an eye on expenses. They may affect their profit. Your ability to work will increase and you will be able to perform quite well at the workplace. Your language style will improve gradually. Students will be goal oriented and highly motivated. You should take good care of your parents. Try to do meditation with them. Your siblings may require your support for some of their work. Now let's move to the water, that is Aquarius. Your business may reach new heights. If you are planning to start a new career, you will be blooming with new creative ideas. People will praise you because of your good nature. There can be improvement in personal life. People of the opposite sex can be more attracted by your personality. You can also get benefits in terms of health. Some minor disputes are also possible, but they can be ignored by taking care. Now let's move to fish, that is Pisces. There is a strong possibility of getting profit through partnership in business. You can emerge as an effective speaker with your communication style. You can be successful in accumulating money. There is a possibility of organizing a ceremony at home very soon. A new member can be added to the family. You can also get some kind of benefit with the help of your love partner or life partner. Dear friends, now I am suggesting some remedies for better result of debilitated Venus. Keep the roof of the house clean and well maintained. Offer white or cream cloth and perfume to a holy man on Friday. Plant Tulsi plant on Friday at home. Attain blessings of Venus by worshipping goddess Lakshmi. My dear friends, it was my analysis for debilitated Venus in transit. At the end, all I want to say is never give up on a dream just because of the time it will take to accomplish it. Do your best, forget the rest. Thanks for watching this video. Take care. Namaskar. Bye bye.